The objective of Dunedin Smaller Companies Investment Trust is to provide long-term returns from an investment in UK small companies, both from capital and from income. Income is extremely important to the trust. It's our view, in line with a lot of academic research, that the majority of an investor's long-term total return comes from dividends that are distributed to them, as opposed to merely from increases in the share price. And we believe that small companies can provide a diversified income stream that isn't perhaps available in other areas of the market. We are quite an old trust. This trust was founded in the 1920s and has therefore had the opportunity to build up its revenue reserves over the years, which means it has a very healthy level of revenue reserves. Our view is that dividends are the only tangible return that shareholders receive. Increases in the share price are all well and good, but if you don't sell the shares, they're merely increases on pieces of paper. We would hope that the investors that we have in this trust take the same approach to their investment as we take to ours, and that is to take a long-term approach. In terms of how we decide what goes into the portfolio, we, in common with all the other equity desks within Aberdeen, follow the Aberdeen investment process, which is intensely due diligence orientated. There are relatively few black and whites in investment, and having done the initial due diligence, and this is what's really important, we continue to do it. We see everything that we own at least twice a year. One quite interesting aspect of small companies, UK small companies, is that the profile of their earnings has changed quite a lot over the last decade, and they're no longer as reliant on the UK economy as they were 10 years ago. And indeed, if you look at the portfolio that we have here, around about, and it obviously varies from day to day, but around about 45% of our investment turnover comes from overseas, with quite a sizable proportion of that coming from emerging markets. The team that manages this trust is the Aberdeen Pan-European Equities team. We're based in Edinburgh, London, and an office in Paris. A lot of this team have been through 2, 3, 4 bear markets, real bear markets, and that creates a set of expertise that can take other people a whole career to acquire.